Hey guys, I'm back again with another most requested video. So you guys have been sending DM asking for a very good human hair extension for boho braid and goddess braid. I've uploaded one video I think about last year and I spoke about hot braids. Their extension is very good, it doesn't tangle, but by the time I saw this extension, this human hair extension that my client brought for me to make a boho braid, I was baffled. The extension is so beautiful, it's very soft in the hand, no tangling, no shedding. That's the reason why I said I should bring it to you guys. By the way, she's getting married and she's wearing this hair on her wedding dress. Please don't hesitate to drop a congratulation on the comment section. Yeah, she will be seeing all the messages. And also, if you want to know how to put your braids together, the straight and the coily, to make a beautiful boho like this, just keep watching. I'm going to talk a little about the extensions I put together to make this beautiful boho braid. So don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up and also follow me if you're not doing so already. I will be linking a detailed boho braid tutorial, so if you don't know how to make boho braid, please watch that video. It's going to help you a lot. We're making a knotless boho braid, and this is the human hair extension we're using for the braid. This is 18 inches long, and my client actually brought it. I don't know where she got it from, but yeah, the coil pattern looked very good, and we're going to be using it together with this straight extension. This straight extension, I like this extension because it's not too long. You can braid with this and then make it as long as you want with the coily extension. That's the reason why we're going with this length of extension. I think this is 14 inches long, right?
It's 12.
12 inches, yeah. This is 12 inches long, so we're using it together with this human hair coily extension. Yeah, so if you want to see how the knotless boho braid look like, stay tuned. So by the time we're done, this is what we came up with. So this is what the hair look like. It's really beautiful. The extension looks very good. I just hope, I told her to like give me feedback in a week time to see if the extension tangles, but from what I'm looking right now, this look really beautiful. Look at the scarf. It's very beautiful. The volume, the coil pattern, it looks like a very good hair though. Well, however, if anyone is interested in the extension, by the way, it's human hair extension. I think I've mentioned it before. If anyone is interested in it, please feel free to send a message, drop a message, and I'll send you the link. I'll request for the link of the course, the human hair. I'll request for the link of the human hair, and then I'll forward it to whoever that is interested in it. And it's really beautiful. This is 20 inches, right? It's 20 inches, and we used 300 gram. We didn't actually finish the 300 gram. This is what is left. So this is what is left from the 300 gram. This is what we have left. So you can see that you definitely need 300 gram, except you don't want it as full as this. So this is, oh, this look gorgeous. Seriously, it looks like a wig. It's very beautiful, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you like it? Would you like to try a boho braids that looks like this? Let me know in the comment section. It is really beautiful. Let's see, can you spin for me with the share? Yeah, so this is what the back look like. Oh, this is really full. It's beautiful. Yeah, spin all through 360. This is gorgeous. It's really beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, let me know what you think about the hair in the comment section. Thank you.